Digital publication, humiliate,
Boom!
I'm sweating.
I know, it's stressful, but that was amazing.
Let's go.
The media can make or break your career. To build longevity for your business, you have to position yourself to the media as being unique and irreplaceable. Your story is yours. It deserves to be told by you and only you. Without these media stories, letting people know what you're up to and how you're growing your business, you risk being just a number in a crowd of people. How do you expect other people to differentiate you from the other Jack or Jill? How do you expect them to make the clarification? One of my favorite authors, Shannon Adler, said, "Carve your name on hearts, not tombstones. Your legacy is etched into the minds of others and the stories they tell about you." So you probably want to know how to make your mark. Touch people within and beyond your communities. Let people know your world initiatives. Or you might just want a newspaper clipping of yourself for your family fridge. Either way, fine by me. Your story deserves to shine. Your story deserves the spotlight. Your story deserves to be scribbled and underlined in red messy pen by a starry-eyed young entrepreneur waiting for her big break. So let's make it happen. Here's your guide to pitching the media in 5 easy steps. Step 1, find the right journalist. This step is most overlooked in all of pitching history. Finding the right producer, editor, radio broadcast host is as important as the pitch itself. You're selling a pitch to a person, not a robot. So take your time to find out who would be most interested in each publication to cover your story. Say I was writing about my boutique gelato shop. I would probably go looking for food news writers or restaurant bloggers. Spend a few minutes getting familiar with their past work. Include an article in the first line of your pitch to say, "Hey, I saw your work and I'm interested in it, and this is why." Use email addresses over anything for any pitch. Avoid generic PR pitches at newsdesk.com because your pitch will likely end up in a deep black hole of spam. So here's some secrets to finding the correct email addresses. Usually online publications have an email formula, something like first name, last name at BuzzFeed.com, or first name initial, last name at bustle.com. Find this formula by doing some digging. Google their names. Search up their personal portfolio websites. Find their Twitter pages that link to the magazines they work for, and find their email addresses attached for PR pitches. This might seem a little stalkerish, but I promise the media industry is ruthless and they will not think any less of you. Step 2, define your narrative. It's your story. Tell it, own it, be proud of it, be passionate about it. Editors want to hear the who, what, when, where, and why, but also the extra mile that makes your story worth telling than the 10 others that are in their inbox. Make them believe in you, make them want to support you. So how do you do that? One easy way is to get personal. Find what makes you stand out. Say my gelato shop was inspired by women leaders who have created outstanding legacies in history. Every flavor is named after a women's rights activist, a politician, an author. My sister's favorite flavor is Issa Rae icing because it reminds her to stay cutting edge in everything she does. My passion is told here as being a person who is a part of social conversations around women's movement. This is why I am different. Also, look out for opportunities for your editor to find value in sharing your story to their audiences. Think about what he or she might be asking. What am I providing to my audience? How am I driving traffic and interest to my article? Perhaps National Ice Cream Day is coming up, and I'm offering a special promotion at my gelato boutique shop. Now, that's a scoop. Step 3, delete half of it. I can't stress how important it is to be concise. Get to the point. When you set your intentions clear, your editors will gain instant respect. Don't sugarcoat it. Step 4, avoid a copy and paste job. Editors can smell a copy and paste from a mile away, and I assure you, your pitch will end up in the trash. If you expect them to take the time to read your pitch, take the time to cater it to them. Spend 30 seconds individualizing it and making sure they will pique interest. Make sure that your images and your font styles are all cohesive. Make it clear and professional. Step 5, proof, proof, and proof. You can't even spell my name correctly? Pass. Take your time to read over your pitch 3 times, and then grab 3 friends to read it over another 3 times. Pay attention to detail, because sloppy work can seriously damage your personal brand reputation. It's not uncommon for editors to screenshot a bad pitch, post it on Twitter, tagging and humiliating the writer for a silly spelling mistake or a poorly laid out format. And there you have it, a beautifully curated pitch story that is targeted and aligned for the media. Be proud of it. Take every chance. Chloe Kim, Elizabeth Diller, Virgil Abloh, Trevor Noah, all names mentioned in Time Magazine's Top 100 Influencers of 2018. All people who have created amazing, outstanding legacies and built memorable relationships with the media. Your first pitch is a defining moment. You're taking advantage of the resources around you and progressing to a new level of expertise. Now, you can only open more doors to the power that is your legacy. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more tips on how to monetize your passion, up-level your digital presence, and build a career by simply being you, like, subscribe, share with all your friends below. And I'm Pooja signing out, and we'll see you at the next episode of Simply Be TV.
Let's go.